Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to navigate Goodbudget dashboard. Goodbudget is a digital envelope budgeting system that helps you manage money by dividing your income into categories called envelopes. Instead of spending freely, you assign money to categories, spend only what's inside each envelope. So first, when you log in your PC, you need to open any of the web browsers. After that, in the top there's an address bar typed on goodbudget.com and enter it. Make sure to log into your account. And over here, under this envelopes here, this is a core budgeting space. Each envelope, one spending category, shows available balances here as well. Spending status, for example, food, gas, groceries, or annual savings here, account section. And when you open here, it will automatically shows the dashboard of the navigation into the Goodbudget here. And over here under this report section at the top, this is where you can show the charts and summaries like spending by category, envelope, income versus expenses, helps you understand your money habits. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.